The room didn't look like a surprise party. It looked like a mess. Half-cut decorations lay on the floor, tape stuck to the edges of the table. 3 different themes were scattered everywhere, colors that didn't match, ideas that didn't belong together, and the cake still wasn't decided. Jasmine stood in the middle of it all, frozen. The party was tomorrow, and somehow nothing was ready. It wasn't supposed to be like this. 2 weeks ago, it had felt exciting. Jasmine had smiled just thinking about it. Rose had no idea. That was the best part. She imagined the moment, the lights, the surprise, the way Rose would run toward her. She wanted it to be perfect, so she started planning. At first, it was simple. 1 theme, a few decorations, a cake idea. Jasmine had everything in front of her. Cut-out ideas from party magazines, cake designs from the bakery brochure, gift wrapping styles she had saved weeks ago. All spread across the table. So many good ideas, too many. She picked 1 decoration theme, then paused. What if the other one looks better? She switched, then again and again. The cake wasn't decided. The balloons weren't bought. The gift wasn't wrapped. Not because she didn't try, because she kept changing. Every time she chose something, she replaced it with a better idea. Time passed quietly, but nothing moved forward. Jasmine looked at the clock. Tomorrow. Her chest tightened. For a moment, she imagined something else. No decorations, no lights, no surprise. Just a normal evening. It would be easier. No stress, no mess, no pressure to make it perfect. She stood there, almost ready to stop, to put everything away, to pretend she never planned it. But something didn't sit right. Rose's face crossed her mind, the way she would have smiled. Jasmine looked back at the mess and stayed. That's when her mother walked in. She didn't raise her voice. She just looked at the table, then at Jasmine. "You're not running out of time," she said softly. "You're restarting too many times." Jasmine didn't reply, but something about that felt true. Later that evening, she sat alone on the floor, all the ideas around her. She started sorting them, 1 pile, then another, and slowly, she noticed something. None of them were bad, not a single one. They were just unfinished. She was restarting it again and again. Jasmine took a deep breath, pulled out a blank page. She wrote just 5 things. Cake, balloons, lights, gift music. No perfect plan, no second options. She circled 1 cake, chose 1 color theme, picked 1 gift. Then she did something different. She didn't rethink it. She finished it. 1 thing, fully done. And something changed. Not outside, inside. The noise in her head got quieter. For the first time that day, Jasmine felt in control. The next day, things moved differently. Jasmine didn't try to make everything perfect. She just followed the list, 1 thing at a time. Finish it, then move on. The cake was picked, the balloons were set, the lights were placed, the gift was wrapped. No second guessing, no restarting, and for the first time, everything actually came together. That evening, when Rose walked in, she stopped at the door. The lights, the colors, the cake, everything felt right. Rose smiled, then ran forward and hugged her. And in that moment, Jasmine realized something. It wasn't the decorations, it wasn't the theme, it was the fact that she finished it. Most people don't fail because they don't try. They fail because they keep starting over. A few days later, Jasmine had to prepare for a hiking trip with friends. Clothes, snacks, gear. At first, It started the same way. Too many options. What if I take this instead? Maybe I'll need that too. She paused, then remembered. Not everything, just what matters. Jasmine picked only what she needed. One outfit, one pair of shoes, simple food, basic gear, no backups, no just in case. She packed everything in minutes, and for the first time, it felt light. Not just her bag, her mind. A new habit had quietly taken shape. Choose less, finish more. Better ideas will always come. Better options will always exist. But if you keep replacing your decisions, nothing ever gets finished. So try this. Pick one version. Not the best one, just one. Finish it completely. Then move on. Because progress doesn't come from perfect choices. It comes from completed ones. And maybe that's the habit that changes everything in your life. If this story stayed with you, leave a comment. And if you want more stories like this, make sure you're subscribed. We'll see you in the next story.